Hey there, it's great to have you with me. Today I'm going to show you how to add a world clock to your iPhone lock screen so you can easily check the time in different cities around the world. It's really easy and I'm going to walk you through the steps here. First, let's head over to our iPhone settings here. Once you're there, scroll down until you see the wallpaper section and tap on it. Then tap on Customize from here. From there you'll see the current lock screen. Tap on Edit in the top right hand corner. Now you can customize your lock screen by adding and removing widgets. Tap on the clock and then swipe left until you see the world clock. Tap on that and it will add the world clock widget to your lock screen. If you tap on the widget, you can choose which specific cities you want to see the time for. For example, you can choose to see the time in the USA, Japan, and let's change the last option to Paris. Once you've chosen the city, tap on the X in the top right hand corner 3 times and then tap Done. That's it. Now you have the world clock on your lock screen and you can easily see the different times in different cities around the world. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials like this one.